Ayaya, fight, fight, Revelation 12:11, fight, fight for me, fight, blood of Jesus, fight, 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 enono, epena, eraba, mene, asha, abaya. I stop the cry. I stop the cry. Whatever it has done to create a chain, to cast a chain on you, or cast a spell on you, or cast a mask on your face, to Ashanama, to hold your feet, Ashanama, hold your womb, hold your hands from being fruitful, from progressing, from increasing. I know manama, to turn the face of your helper against you. It must break tonight. It must break. I walk into my favor. I walk into my favor. I walk into my answered praise. I walk into my desires. I walk into my deliverance. I walk out of that bondage. 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 I walk out. I step out of it. I walk out of that strong room. I walk out of that location that has held me for years. I walk out. I walk out. Anosha, Abalato Nasate. I enter my joy. I enter my joy. I enter my joy. Miracles are happening.